Hello everyone, today we're diving into the features of the Boreeman Upgraded Folding Stool, a lightweight yet incredibly sturdy solution for all your seating needs, whether you're camping, fishing, hiking, or enjoying a barbecue. This portable collapsible stool boasts a patented fish scale structure and modified plastic material, providing remarkable strength and rigidity with a load capacity of 400 pounds. Weighing just 2.54 pounds and featuring an adjustable strap, it's easy to carry by hand or over your shoulder, making it perfect for both outdoor adventures and indoor use in your living room, bedroom, or bathroom. Thanks to its innovative design, the stool stretches and retracts smoothly, allowing you to open and close it in seconds, while its height can be adjusted across 12 positions, ranging from 2.36 to 17.72 inches, to suit any scenario. The stool also features self-open prevention, with snap joints on the caps to ensure it stays securely closed when not in use, making it a convenient and reliable companion for any activity. So, whether you're heading out for a picnic or need an extra seat at home, the Boreeman Folding Stool is your go-to choice for durability and portability. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.